Just picked this up today. It's on sale for $159. It is the 1/2 inch impact socket set. Comes with a heavy duty case. It's got tabs. Got the foam. I wish they would glue that some way or another though. But the cool thing is each one of these has a little ball down in there that these actually kind of press fit onto, and they stay in place. This is the kit. So the 17th of January through the 20th is additionally another $25 off. So it's already on sale for $159. Then you get $25 off. But these are some pretty nice impact sockets. And those actually sit in there. You get a swivel. This is all 1/2 inch. 3 inch, a 5 inch, a 15 inch, and a 10 inch. And it goes all the way from 7/16 to 1 inch and a quarter to 10 millimeter, all the way to 24. This is deep and shallow well.